Losing the remote doesn't mean you can't turn on your TCL Roku TV. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to power up your television without it. Let's get started. If you need to turn on your TCL Roku TV, and the remote is nowhere in sight, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the power button. On most TCL Roku TVs, you'll find this button right under the TCL logo, just near the IR receiver. It's usually a single button, easy to feel out once you know where to look. If you have an older model, you might need to check around a bit more. Sometimes the button is placed on the side or even at the back of the TV. Just run your fingers along these areas, and you should find it. Once you've found the power button, turning on your TV is straightforward. Simply press the button once, and your TCL Roku TV will power up. Remember, this button doesn't just turn the TV on. You can also use it to turn the TV off when you're done watching. Just a quick press, and you're good to go. For more comprehensive control over your TCL Roku TV without the remote, you can use the Roku app on your smartphone. First, you'll need to download the Roku app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. The app will then show you a list of devices. Just select your TV from this list. Now, you can use your phone to not only turn the TV on and off, but also to navigate through channels, adjust the volume, and access other smart features just as you would with a physical remote. If you're using an Android phone, another great way to control your TCL Roku TV without the remote is by using an IR Blaster app. One effective app you can try is the MI Remote app, which you can download from your phone's app store. Once you have the app, it uses your phone's built-in infrared IR transmitter to send commands directly to your TV's IR receiver, just like a traditional remote. This means you can switch your TV on, adjust volume, change channels, and more, all from your phone. Make sure your phone is pointed at the TV while using it to ensure the signals are received correctly. That's it for this video on how to turn on your TCL Roku TV without a remote. I hope these methods help you easily manage your TV even when the remote is missing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips. Have any questions, or did these solutions work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.